In this video, I'll show you how to share your Wise account details for payments. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Go to wise.com or open the Wise app. Then sign in with your account credentials. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Use two-factor authentication if prompted to keep your account secure. Step 2. Go to Balances or Account Details. On your Wise dashboard, find the Balances or Account Details section. This area lists all currency accounts associated with your Wise account. Step 3. Select the desired currency. Pick the exact currency for which you wish to receive a payment. This can be USD, Euro, British Pound, or any currency you like. Each currency balance has its own unique set of receiving and payment details. Step 4. Copy the necessary details. Copy all required bank information, your account number, IBAN, routing number, sort code, SWIFT BIC, depending on the currency. Wise provides dedicated copy buttons for accuracy. Always double check your details. Step 5. Share your details securely. Paste your details into an email, invoice, form, or payment request. Always double check what information the sender requires. When possible, share via encrypted email, a secure platform, or a reputable payment portal. Step 6. Give clear instructions to the sender. If needed, specify how your name should appear on the payment or provide a payment reference to speed up processing. Let the sender know that you're providing Wise account details and that they should select domestic transfer if possible. Now I have some tips for safe and fast payments. Never post your Wise details publicly or insecure platforms. For businesses or salary payments, check employer requirements and Wise support documentation. Confirm with the sender once payment is made and monitor your Wise account for arrival of your payment. And that's how you share your account details for your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out.